Imagine this. You're over 60. You're about to close your eyes and go to sleep. But what if I told you that tonight, while you rest, your eyes could actually repair themselves? That your vision could slowly become sharper, clearer, all because of three simple vitamins you take before bed. No expensive surgery, no complicated routine. Just natural support for the most important sense we have, our eyesight. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly which vitamins every man and woman over 60 should take at night, how they work inside your body while you sleep, and how you can protect your eyes for the years to come. You see, after 60, our eyes go through natural wear and tear. The lens becomes cloudy, the retina becomes weaker, and the tiny blood vessels that carry oxygen to the eye don't work like they used to. That's why so many seniors struggle with blurred vision, night driving, and even reading a book in the evening. But here's the good news. Our body has an incredible ability to repair itself at night. When we sleep, our cells go into repair mode. If we give the body the right nutrients before bed, we can literally feed the eyes what they need to heal. The first vitamin on this list is vitamin A. Think of vitamin A as a shield for your eyes. It's what keeps your cornea, the clear front of your eye, strong and healthy. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes get dry, irritated, and your night vision starts to fade. That's why so many seniors complain that they can't see properly when the sun goes down. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach are full of vitamin A, but taking it as a simple supplement at night gives your body a direct supply during repair hours of sleep. Now, before I tell you the second vitamin, the one that actually protects your retina from age-related decline, I want to ask you something. Do you notice yourself holding your phone farther and farther away to read a text? Or maybe struggling with glare from car headlights at night? If you said yes, you're not alone. And that's exactly why the second vitamin is so powerful. The second one is vitamin C. Now, most people think of vitamin C as something for colds and immunity. But here's the secret: vitamin C is one of the strongest antioxidants in the world. And your eyes, especially the retina and lens, are under constant attack from free radicals, little unstable molecules that speed up aging. At night, vitamin C helps neutralize that damage and even strengthens the blood vessels that feed your eyes. This means better circulation, less stress on your vision, and long-term protection against cataracts. 2 vitamins down, 1 more to go. But the third vitamin I'm about to reveal is the real game changer. Because it's not just about protecting your eyes, it can actually help improve sharpness and color vision while you sleep. It means you truly care about your eyesight and your independence. And trust me, your eyes will thank you for the rest of your life. We've already covered vitamin A, the protector of your cornea, and vitamin C, the antioxidant guardian of your retina. Now, let's dive into the third vitamin. The third vitamin is vitamin E. I like to call it the repairman of your eyes. When you sleep, vitamin E goes to work, repairing the delicate cells in your retina. Studies show it can slow down age-related macular degeneration, the #1 cause of vision loss in seniors. And when combined with vitamin C, it's like having a powerful team fighting side by side against eye damage. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados are rich in vitamin E. But again, taking it as a supplement at night ensures your body has what it needs during those critical repair hours. Let me share a quick story. One of my close friends, George, is 67. He used to struggle reading the newspaper at night. His eyes would water and the letters would blur. His doctor told him to start adding these vitamins, especially at night. Within a few months, George noticed he could read longer without strain. Was it a miracle? No. It was simply giving his eyes the nutrients they were craving. So, if you're over 60, here's the simple nightly routine. Vitamin A for strong corneas and night vision. Vitamin C for antioxidant protection and healthy blood vessels. Vitamin E for repair and defense against vision loss. 3 vitamins, a glass of water, and a good night's sleep. That's it. No complex routines, no expensive treatments. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried taking vitamins for your eyes before bed? Did you notice any difference in your vision? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else who's struggling right now. And if you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your family, your friends, Maybe even that one neighbor who always complains about their glasses. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about keeping your health strong, your body active, and your mind sharp after 55. Together, we can age with confidence. So tonight, before you sleep, remember, your eyes are counting on you. Give them the care they deserve.